Hello, welcome to the bass lick in every key series. In this series we are taking one lick or one part groove and running it through all 12 keys. It's a great way to truly master it, building your technique, improving your ear and getting comfortable all over the fretboard. So let's get started. Dominant chord, lick number 9. So far we have started mostly on the root, on the third or on the seventh descending run, mostly from root. Okay, this lick actually probably was played by Justin Rain somewhere in internet. I wrote it down and after a few years I discovered this cool line. We're starting from the 6, major 6, flat 7. You can find the full version along with an explanation on my Patreon. Come, be a part of it. I would love to share more with you. Yeah, now it's your turn. Grab your bass, PDF and practice and play with drum loops. Enjoy the music and see you in next video.